In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the UI in Lovable Dev. The idea is simple and powerful. You can reshape your interface just by typing plain English instructions. Instead of hunting through style files or moving sliders in a design panel, you describe what you want, and the UI updates accordingly. Think of it like giving a designer clear direction. If you want a fresh first impression, try something like, make the hero section more modern. This tells the system to rethink the top of your page with current design patterns, clean typography, balanced spacing, and a bold visual hierarchy. If your layout feels cramped, you can say, add more spacing between cards. That will create breathing room so content feels easier to scan and more professional. Buttons are an easy win for polish. A quick change buttons to rounded in blue will shift the tone toward friendlier, more approachable interactions. And if you're aiming for a specific vibe across the whole page, make the UI look like a SaaS landing page will guide the system toward a crisp, conversion-focused style. Clear sections, confident headlines, and consistent components. A few tips help you get the most out of this workflow. Start broad, then refine. Begin with a high-level direction like modernizing the hero, then follow up with a clarifying instruction if needed. Maybe you prefer a larger headline or a lighter background. Keep your language specific and outcome-focused. Instead of saying improve spacing, say where and how, like between cards or within sections. If the first pass isn't exactly what you envisioned, just nudge it. Ask for slightly more padding, a softer blue, or a tighter card layout. Work in small, meaningful chunks. Address one area at a time, the hero, the cards, then the buttons, so each change is easy to evaluate. Consistency matters too. Once you pick a direction, use the same terms for colors, shapes, and tones so the styles align across the page. If a change goes too far, simply steer it back with another instruction, such as reducing the radius on buttons or dialing down the contrast in the hero. Finally, think about intent. Are you aiming for readability, conversion, or brand personality? Mention that in your instruction to guide the system's choices. With simple prompts like make the hero section more modern, add more spacing between cards, change buttons to rounded and blue, and make the UI look like a SaaS landing page, you can quickly iterate toward a polished, cohesive design. No code edits required.